Okay, today, second part of geometry. First, draw by your ruler, like this. This line have start point A, end point B. Can you measure this line by your ruler? You call this line segment. Why? Because line segment is set of points contains of two distance points on all points between them when we join them by a ruler. Okay, you have 2 points and point between can you using by ruler. Okay, line segment can we measure how many centimeter. Okay, the first line segment, second line draw like me. You find in second line 2 arrow and point inside this line. Not have end point and not have start point. A and B belong the line, but not start and not end. Okay, no start, no end, and we can't measure by ruler. This line we called it straight line. Straight line. Straight line is a line segment extended from both direction infinity. يعني هو line segment extended to both sides to where? To infinity. Draw third line with me with one arrow in any side, any direction, one arrow. Just have one arrow. So this line have start point but extended in one direction, like sun ray. Ray is a line segment extended from only one of terminal without element. Okay, a line segment, this is called ray. You have two end point and end, but in straight line no end. In ray start point no end. Okay, so now you know line segment and straight line and ray. How can I use If I write AB, 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 AB without any line, it means the measure of AB. AB equal how many cent, okay? If draw line in top like this, first AB is AB line segment. If I draw like this, AB straight line, like this, AB ray, start point is A. If I inverse arrow, it's mean start point in B, okay? Now you understand the difference between three lines. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Second word, we draw two ray, but the same start. First ray with start point, and draw second ray with the same start point. Now you have new figure. We call this figure angle between two rays. It means angle, and the intersection point is vertex. Sorry, vertex. We call the sides the ray sides. This side one and the next side two. Okay, this angle we can define the angle of the union of two rays, with the same start point, and this point is called the vertex of the angle, and the two rays are called two sides of the angle. We can measure the angle by degree, by protractor. If you have protractor, this is protractor, we can measure by it the angle. Okay, you can measure the angle. If you find 30, it means 30 degrees. Okay, small circle on right and top, it's degree. When you're young, you can measure by degree, but now we have small measure. 1 degree equal something small, 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal 60 seconds. It means if you measure 30 and 1 minute and 1 second, you can measure like this: 30 degree and something else maybe 59 minutes and something else 59 no more minutes. Now you can find like this. Degree is greatest, minutes smaller, second is smaller. Okay, it's mean if I find 60 minutes, it's mean 1 degree. Okay, like this 89 degree and 60 minutes equal 90 degree. We can scratch 60 minutes. Copy with me. By 1 degree, 190. 89 plus 1, it's mean 90 degree. Okay, now will we use this degree and minute and third prep? Don't worry now. Now, types of angles. Types of angles. Types, kinds of angles. The angles are classified according to their measure. Okay, classifying according this measure, according its measure. Now, first measure is zero angle. It's mean two ray or two-sided or two-sided. Its two-sided are constant. Constant. It mean first ray and second ray. Okay, together. It's mean zero angle. Zero, no angle. Zero angle. Two ray are constant. Next is acute drawing and acute angle. One ray and next ray. Okay, angle is small. We called acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle greater than zero. Okay, and smaller than 90. If you measure any angle smaller than 90, we called it acute angle between 0 and 9. يبقى so greater than 0 degree and smaller than 90 degree, like 30, 60, 81, 89, all the measure is acute angle. Okay, next one, draw with me. You can use set square. Like letter L, we called we draw like this. Perpendicular to ray, perpendicular, it means make right angle 90 degree, exactly 90 degrees. We call this angle is right angle, exactly equal 90 degree. 91, not right angle. 89, not right angle. 89, it's mean acute angle. Okay, next angle, more than 90, more than 90. We draw like this. Ray and the next ray, same start line. Okay, this big one. Started from 91, 91, 92 to 180. يبقى so greater than 90. Okay, obtuse angle. So greater than 90 and smaller than 180. Can inverse. Okay, next. هي greater than 90. Okay, greater than 90 or between 90 and 180. Obtuse is greater than 90. Okay, next angle is 180. If you draw 180, you draw straight line. If you draw a straight line, it means you drew 180. 180 degree. It's a very important angle because any straight line has 180 in top and 180 in bottom. Straight angle and straight line exactly equal 180 and draw like straight line. Today we have new one. If I drew angle more than, if I draw angle more than 180 like this, Look, if I drew like this, acute, right, obtuse, straight, now like this, okay? This angle greater than 180, we called it reflex angle. Reflex angle. It's mean greater than 180 and not reached 360. Okay, 181 reflex angle, 190 reflex angle, 270 reflex angle. Okay, 300 reflex angle, 350 reflex angle, 359 reflex angle. Okay, the last reflex angle 359, 360, it will be accumulative angles at a point, not now. Now you must be keep in your mind the name and the drawing. Okay, type of angles, degree and minute and second, definition of angles, ray and straight line and line segment, today geometry, draw like me and write the definition. Okay, now quiz. If right, mention the type of the each of the angle whose measure are follows. If I write angle 32, what is type?
Mister, I know.
Okay, answer.
Acute angle.
Excellent. 90 degree,
Right angle.
110 degree,
Um, obtuse angle.
obtuse angle. Excellent. 180 degree,
Obtuse angle.
no,
Straight line.
Reflex angle.
no,
Straight line.
no. Straight angle, not straight line. Straight angle. Okay. 250
Reflex angle.
reflex angle. 179 degree and 60 minute.
Mm.
Straight angle.
Straight angle. Why straight angle? Because 60 degree, 60 minutes, it's 1 degree. 1 degree, it's mean 180. It's the same straight angle. Okay, 180 and 1/4 minutes. More than 180, we called it
Reflex angle.
Excellent, reflex angle. Okay. Okay, type is very, very easy. Now something important. When we draw any angle, we find something important. If we draw angle like this, and measure, if we measure, find 30 degree. 30 degree, it means acute angle. Acute angle, okay? Now, if we measure outside angle, exterior angle, interior angle 30, but exterior angle is reflex. Okay, if we measure all the circle, we find it 360 degree. Now, if I have acute angle 30, if I to know the measure of reflex angle of 30, we do like this: 360 whole circle degree minus 30 degree give me the reflex angle degree. Okay, so the reflex angle of the 30, it means 360 minus 30. You understand?
Yes.
360 minus 30.
330 degree.
330 degree. This is reflex angle. Okay. The question now is, if I give to you any angle and I need to reflex, you must subtract it from 360. Okay, like this. Measure of angle A. This symbol is measure. This symbol means angle. This is vertex. Measure of angle A equal 139 degree. So reflex of measure angle A equal how many degree? If you find reflex, what you will do? If I need reflex of angle A is 139, so I need now reflex of angle A. What we will do?
We will make it minus from 360.
Subtracted 139 from 360.